Top 5 Best Carbon Monoxide Meter. Number 5. Sensorcon Industrial CO Carbon Monoxide Meter and Alarm. Tough waterproof carbon monoxide detector specially designed to observe your home, office to detect CO from the air. It has high observation skills. It can observe in explosive risky environments. It is the leading and safe portable CO detector in the market. This heavy and waterproof device is very useful for home, office/commercial as well as industrial use like oil and gas, HVAC, water treatment, forestry, etc. It has an LED display and a loud sound alarm. Safety professionals like this device and recommend it for use. This device UL 913 standard made in the USA. What we like: waterproof, durable CO detector, audible, visual, and vibrating alerts, easy to use and operate, 1-year warranty. What we don't like: a bit pricey. Coming in number 4. Car, vehicle, aircraft carbon monoxide CO detector. The aircraft monoxide detector is an original forensic CO gas detector, is specially designed by all types of vehicle. This best quality Japanese technology scoop protection offers you at low level 9 ppm alarming. The forensic CO detector was specifically designed for police, emergency vehicles, aircraft pilot, truck drivers, fleet vehicles, personal vehicle operation and privacy protection for travel. This detector warns the pilot or drivers if they detect any CO gas outside of the vehicle's cabin or aircraft, and save you from nausea and fatigue. To ensure smooth protection, these CO alarms have two options: 9 ppm with red LED and 25 ppm with the loud sound. But World Health Organization's Environmental Protection Agency, American Society of Heating, Cold, and Air Conditioning Engineers and American Conference of Governmental Industrial Hygienists suggested you use 9 ppm alarm level. Other CO alarm is alarming time is too short, but this forensic CO alarm is a long time alarming system. It is small and beautiful out looking and made by the best quality metal. It is very simple and easy to use for its one-button operating system. This CO detector has been tested and confirmed for craft dependability. What we like: comes with metal body. Best Japanese CO sensor. Test and verified in the USA. Value of money: 1-year warranty. What we don't like: unit is a bit small. Coming in number 3. UEI Test Instruments CO71A. The CO71A carbon monoxide detector is the best detector for the industrial and residential areas. It alerts you by loud sound when detecting any CO gas in the air. It can work in high concentrations of area. It has a digital display which is very easy to read. When detecting CO gas, it automatically changes the light for warning you about the danger. This device only works to detect CO gas. It is ASHRAE and OSHA standards. What we like: great quality, backlit display with auto zero, audible and visual alarms, no auto power off, 3-year warranty. What we don't like: none. Coming in number 2. Sensorcon Inspector. Here we present an excellent carbon monoxide detector. It is a portable waterproof CO device. It can observe the CO level easily in your office or home. American Police Department purchased this device a lot for their office as well as home and vehicle. This device is tested by professionals for any type of industry use all over the world. Easy to use and easy to read the monitor. It alerts you by loudly sound when carbon monoxide gas detects any place. What we like: waterproof, professional grade CO sensor. Measurement range is 0 to 1999 ppm. Easy to read LCD displays. 1-year warranty. What we don't like: a bit small device. Coming in number 1. Klein Tools ET110. Klein Tools ET110 Co-meter is an easy-to-use handheld co-meter. It can effectively detect and measures concentration levels of carbon monoxide and temperature. Read this carbon monoxide meter reviews to get more information about it. May you find the best carbon monoxide tester for personal use. This is a professional carbon monoxide detector and it is the perfect choice for HVAC professionals. This handheld co-meter features a backlit LCD screen, warning indicator light, audible and visual alarms, and multiple function buttons. This carbon monoxide handheld detector also includes 4 Trio A batteries and carrying pouch. Klein Tools Co-Tester Meter provides a short-term exposure limit audible and visual alarms protection. It offers low-level alarm when detecting around 35 ppm CO gas, and high-level alarm provided after detecting 200 ppm CO gas. This is not for use as personal protection equipment. This is one of the best carbon monoxide meters for professional use. This digital carbon monoxide meter provides a backlit display with CO measurements, 0 to 1000 ppm, and temperature. Klein Tools Carbon Monoxide Level Tester also comes with auto power off features. It will automatically turn off after 20 minutes of no usage. It is very helpful to conserve battery life,